I probably have 250 plus typewriters in my collection, and I would say that 90% of them are in perfect working order.
Imagine, amidst the glitz and glam, a hidden gem of kindness. Tom Hanks, beloved for his roles, but here's the untold story. Beyond the silver screen, Hanks collects vintage typewriters. He even wrote a book where typewriters weave through each tale. A man of words, both on and off the screen, Hanks' typewriter collection is a lesser-known, fascinating facet of his life. In the world of stardom, kindness and curiosity know no bounds. Tom Hanks, a treasure trove of stories on and off the script.